So down one block
west.
and right 1 block. There should be 30 to 35 people right in there somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So
do you see 'em?
maybe this was Percival Point.
Oh, right next to the oyster shop. Yeah, I see them right on the corner there. It doesn't look like they're doing anything. Boy, they're tough to see out the window with all the trees and plants and rocks and stuff there.
Tough to see on the video.
Yeah. That's for you. Are we going for the silent but deadly, or are we making lots of noise?
Olympia Tower, Airport,
do what you need to do.
With Zulu, northwest takeoff, head back to the capital. Air 4, roger, departure beer on risk, use caution, and
Q4 for Air 4, if you could go to 12277 when you get here. Okay, sir, we are arriving at our destination altitude of 2,500 feet. Stewardess will be
Audio's coming on.
Air 4 is right below us, so just a heads up.
See a news van down there.
Yeah, parked right there on the shoulder.
Yep.
Yeah, and then that there's a white SUV just below that on the screen that is Media 2, I think. Oh, and then there's 2 more in the parking lot across from Les Schwab. Yeah, look at them. Half of them are lined up looking at the water.
Audio's off.
Okay.
Yeah, they're not doing anything.
Is recorder off still?
Yes.
So they've got troops staging for this?
Apparently. Okay, looks like there's a little movement here.
Uh-oh. Somebody's walking around?
They're walking.
Okay.
Audio's coming on.
All right.
Trying to figure out who these guys are.
Out in front.
Yeah, they got the little wagons or something.
A little follow me bike. I'm gonna stay in tight so you can see in between the buildings.
New answer, 1834, Cherry Peninsula.
Smoky 4, Capital Command.
Smoky 4, go ahead.
I don't know if you know, just for information, the group of people that were at 4th and Waters are now traveling eastbound. Roadways blocked.
Smoky 4, the group of people at 4th and Waters are now traveling eastbound, roadways blocked.
Oh, okay, there's a box truck and 3 patrol cars following them.
See, are they given the locations or?
I don't hear anything on LARN, that's why I
They're
just...
gonna have the best vantage for streets.
Yeah, that's why I gave an announcement.
That's good. At least
Just
you
because
said
nobody's
something.
talking. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it to them now. That's good. It looks like the box truck or news van or whatever gave way to the patrol cars, or at least one.
Olympia Tower, Bonanza, November 6 Sierra, with Zulu, about 7.4 to the north-northeast, inbound for landing.
Bonanza 6 Sierra, let me check, make a right traffic runway 35, report midfield.
Right traffic, runway 35, report midfield, 6 Sierra.
Airport has that traffic. Airport, roger. 54, caution, wake turbulence, traffic is a heavy C-17, 7 miles north, southbound, 4000.
Smoky 4 will be looking for traffic. We're going to get a little bump here in a minute.
See him out there?
Not yet.
60 runway 1, correction runway 35, clear land.
35, clear to land. Thank you, sir. 60. Sir, requesting landing long. I'm going to glacier maintenance.
60 approved as requested.
Yep, got it.
60.
Olympia Tower, helicopter 60027 in flight.
Army 60027 in flight, Olympia Tower.
Olympia Tower, helicopter 60027 in flight, approximately 9 nautical miles to the south, with information Zulu requesting low approach with departure vectors. Great.
Army 027, make straight in approach runway 35 and report a 3-mile final.
3-mile final, firm. Have 60027 in flight, and we are 2 Bell 2 assistance, sir.
Sure.
Do you hear any traffic on Learn?
None at all. No, they must have switched over to something else.
To know Olympia PD, they don't have. They're on a different channel.
Yeah, they have their TAC 1 or whatever. So I think they said that Oli PD was handling, and then we were just there for backup. So that might explain why there's no...
Yeah.
Stanza 6 Sierra, turn right on Delta into park, and monogram point 6 up. Good night.
Yeah, I don't like to do any better. 0.6, thank you, sir. 60.
This is the same route they went before, this afternoon when they went on their little march.
Van's backing out of there.
Yeah, there was one earlier that over by the bank, big group came around the corner, and I mean they were taking up both lanes and they weren't getting out of the way, so this car had to do the same thing, back up and get out of the way.
Runway 35, clear to low approach, 1360 at 6.
Clear for low approach for Coverage 60027 in flight.
Does it look like they're headed to the bank again?
Well, the last time they did that, they went back to Sylvester Park, so like 2 blocks more west, and then made a right-hand turn, or I guess it would be a left-hand turn for them, and into Sylvester Park. We'll see where they go this time. I'm just kind of watching them, looking for any stragglers, anybody kind of breaking off. Looks like they might be up to no good.
Olympia Tower, Grumman 5930 Lima with Zulu, 7 miles south to landing. Grumman 5930 Lima, Olympia Tower, make straight in runway 35, report a 3-mile final. 30 Lima.
What if they have the RDF team in the back of that cargo truck?
I don't know. The last time they did their march, the RDF was in 2 columns.
Oh, they
and
were,
just
okay.
marched with them at the very back. It looked really cool. I don't know what that is.
Back doors are open.
Oh, okay.
Imagine it's an RDF team
Yeah.
ready to jump out.
Little paddy wagon.
Yeah, could be.
Grumman 30 Lima, runway 35, clear to land, wind 360 at 6. 30 land.
Olympia Tower, Army Coverage 60027 in flight, 2 Kiowas on the upwind. We'll be hitting I-5 and then eastbound.
Army 027 in flight, roger. Traffic vicinity of the Capitol orbiting is a Cessna 2600 and a helicopter at 1400.
Roger, searching for traffic. Army Coverage 60027 in flight, and we do have both in sight.
Just look for an airport traffic supply. 2 Army helicopters has you in sight. They're north, eastbound to pick up the freeway.
Looking airport. Smoky 4 is looking. Sorry, I'm outside looking for traffic.
Nope, you're good.
Your command.
Olympia Tower, Header 60027 in flight, requesting bridge change to gray Army Airfield.
Army
Mobile
027 flight
Command,
cruise
1-4.
requested. Good day.
Good day, Header 60027 flight.
Grumman 30, Lima, turn right on Delta into park, mark ground point 6 off. Good night.
Good night, thank you very much.
121, verify traffic.
I was just going to update you on the location of the protesters. A minute.
Red. One to one, go ahead, the location.
Believe they are eastbound on 7th from Capitol.
Army 30942, Lima, turn.
121 advised, believe the protesters are eastbound on 7th from Capitol, 1851.
Black Lake inbound for full stop landing at 35 with information Zulu.
Army 942, runway 35, clear the line.
Army 942, roger.
Looks like they're going to stop at an intersection there.
Repeat, it's Alpha, altitude 3052.
They headed towards the Capitol.
No, they're headed north now. Doing all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Olympia Tower, 71 Foxtrot Hotel, about 5 miles to the northwest with information Alpha, trying to approach the glacier ramp.
Look up 71 Foxtrot Hotel, Olympia Tower, second request.
Requesting glacier ramp inbound with 5 miles to the northwest.
Look up 1 Foxtrot Hotel, report a half mile northwest.
41 half mile northwest, 1 Foxtrot Hotel.
Army 942, same intentions.
942 can hold for landing traffic.
Army 942, that traffic's still quite a ways out. I'm just curious what you want to do after you're done with your full stop.
942 will be departure to Gray.
Helicopter, or correction, Army 942 advised ready to go.
Army 942 is ready for departure.
942 to runway 35, northeast departure, clear for takeoff.
942, roger.
Helicopter 1 Fox Hotel, landing through be your own risk, use caution, wind 360 at 5. Helicopter 1 Fox Hotel, landing through be your own risk, use caution, wind 360 at 5.
Roger that, Foxtrot Hotel.
Can you tell where they're headed, vicinity-wise?
No, I can't quite figure it out.
They got some traffic coming up here. They're gonna.
If I had to guess, I'd say maybe just another lap around the same direction they came. You know, maybe a right turn again up here and then down 5th again.
So they have these guys on bikes. There's probably 4 or 5 of them. They run up ahead, stop traffic.
I wonder if that's PD.
Doesn't look like it the way they just squirrel around.
Oh.
I don't think they'd ride like that.
There are some people kind of breaking off, huh?
942, request for exchange.
Army 942 for requesting. Good day.
942, roger, thanks, you too.
I think they're going to reverse it.
Yeah, I can't imagine they'd let them go out into that big, busy intersection. That's a good idea, though. I mean, tactically, it's hard for those patrol cars to turn around. Sorry.
That's right.
You know, if they wanted to, they could get away from those patrol cars real easy. Hopefully nothing happens to those patrol cars.
Tower Air 4's done here. We're going to head north.
Air 4, roger. We'll see you. Have a good night.
Have a good night. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, if we get turned around on them now, going against traffic on a one-way.
What's that?
They're going against traffic on a one-way, so there's no way to follow them.
Yep. Yeah, that's really smart of them. Smoky 4, Capital Command.
Smoke 4, second.
Disregard.
Sure.
Smoky 4, Capital Command.
E4.
Just for information, they were traveling eastbound on 4th. Now they've turned around and they're headed westbound on 4th against traffic. The patrol cars that were behind it are unable to follow.
E4 advised their group was traveling eastbound on 4th has turned around and heading westbound against traffic. 1907.
Yeah, it's a good little move. That's really disruptive too.
Yeah, it is.
Because about 3 blocks in front of them, there's a huge traffic jam. Right up there. Trying to figure out where to put all those cars.
Oh boy.
Yep. And I know if I was driving my personal car down there, I wouldn't want people walking through it.
Audio's off. They could be bowling pins.
Yeah, I wonder what they'd do, what the cops would do, if you get a bunch of people that are out in traffic and they get hit. I mean, is that your fault as a driver?
Most likely they're getting in the way. You know, some of these people, they get pretty bold when they're in groups.
Yep. That's what I'm thinking though, just gas it.
I wouldn't allow them to go against a one-way. I mean, look what it's really disruptive.
Oh, no, check this out. The van and a patrol car are following them the wrong way.
Oh, they are?
Yep. They turned around and they're driving the wrong way too.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.
I hope
it's gonna be interesting going against traffic though.
I hope that's not a troop. Yeah, because where are all those cars gonna go?
We have to split off to the side and let the cars through.
On a street with street parking only?
Yeah. Be interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it in a little tighter if that's okay with you.
Olympia Tower.
This is good tape.
035 is on the ground, Hoskins Field, departing. I'm going to stay local around the pattern.
3035 Olympia Tower, Roger, Olympia Center 3052 in the service.
Looks like they're going to peel off, maybe.
035, Roger.
Maybe they'll go on foot.
Nope, they're gonna parallel. But it looked like they're kind of picking up their pace too, aren't they?
Tough to tell.
I lost sight of that box truck.
He's behind this tree right over here.
Oh, okay, just sitting in the parking lot?
Kind of waiting for them to commit.
Gotcha. Got it. just decided to go at that red light, didn't they?
Does it look like they're headed back toward their starting point?
Yeah, they're headed south towards Sylvester Park now. So that's Capitol right there that they're on.
Jet 986, where are you parking tonight? Glacier. 96, roger, turn right on Delta Echo to Glacier, monogram 0.6 off, good night. Delta Echo Glacier, jet 986. Olympia ground clear to Albuquerque, Elm 2 departure. Asphalt, maintain 3000, expect flight level 4105 after. Departure is 121.1, squawk 6641.
Too bad they can't save some of this motivation to go out and get a job.
Yeah, no kidding. You know what sucks is we're paying for them to go walk around and block traffic.
Yeah.
I'm wondering, oh, I guess that bus is underway. There was a bus parked right next to Sylvester Park.
Post 0 Echo Alpha, read back correct.
Oh.
Just wondered if maybe that was there, but like if it was rented out and they were all parked somewhere else. But they're still headed north or south, aren't they? Past the park.
Might be headed toward the Capitol.
Okay, yeah, they're headed back towards that bank. So the first time they went around, they left the park, went south to the bank, went around the parking lot, and then went down towards the water.
Looks like they're breaking off a little bit.
Is the record on?
Yes.
Okay.
Audio's off.
So I wonder when they get done if they're all like high-fiving and stuff, you know, oh good protest. Good job. Good job.
Who knows? It doesn't look like there's as many as there once was.
No. I don't think their cause is very big this year. Or now they're all drugged and drunked up, so maybe now they'll get rowdy.
You know, I think a lot of those, just in the dark, might be officers. Just on foot.
Probably.
See these guys over here?
Yeah.
I think they're officers just kind of following.
Yeah.
And off to the side.
I'm getting buzzed. Please try a different altitude. We're getting a signal every minute for just a brief second. You ready?
Whatever floats their boat.
Tower Smoky 4 is going to climb to 3,000.
Smoky 400.
So we're good until now?
Yeah, evidently. Or it's been in and out for quite a while, and he's just now getting to us.
Oh, stop. Maybe about 10 minutes left on your last tape you gave me.
Okay.
Okay, this isn't good. Put it in the